Hey, I'm Chef Chris with the Fisherman's Dock here in Beacon Kitchen. Today we're gonna get into one of my favorite fish in the ocean, swordfish. Let's get into it. Here we have our swordfish steak. Now, swordfish is called a steak when it's cut into fillets because it has a tendency to act like steak, just like steak on the grill. That's why it's called steak. So today we're working with a fish that has a story behind it here at Beacon Fisheries. Mike Eddy, founder of Beacon Fisheries, was the first one to commercially land a swordfish off a long line here on the east coast of Florida, in Fernandina Beach, just north of here. So today's ingredients are gonna be swordfish steak, fresh corn, andouille sausage, baby red potatoes, whole butter, thyme, roasted garlic, Fisherman's Dock blackened seasoning, and sweet onions. First, we're gonna start by lightly seasoning the swordfish with a little bit of the Fisherman's Dock blackened seasoning. Then we're gonna lightly oil our grill. Placing the steak on the grill on medium high. While it's cooking, we're gonna add a small bit of oil to our pan, heat it till it starts to dance. Then we're gonna add our onions and our corn. Saute those lightly, then add the sausage. After a couple minutes, we're going to turn the fish 45 degrees to create a crosshatch pattern. When grilling swordfish, you want to grill 2 to 3 minutes per inch of thickness. Once our onions start to caramelize, we can add our roasted garlic. After 3 or so minutes, we'll turn our swordfish. Once you can start to smell the roasted garlic, we're gonna add a bit of chicken stock. Now this helps to deglaze all the goodness from the bottom of the pan and also helps to create our sauce. Now we add fresh thyme, fresh ground pepper, and some sea salt. Checking our fillet, turn 45 degrees once again. Once the pan has deglazed, we're gonna add butter and our potatoes. We're gonna toss until the butter starts to melt. Swirling around, our butter has been incorporated. To plate, first lay down some of the potatoes, andouille, corn, and onion mixture. And our swordfish steak, dang, that looks good. Right on top, finished with a little more sauce. And there we have grilled swordfish with andouille and potatoes. If you like this recipe as much as I do, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. You can also check out thefishermansdock.com where you'll find this recipe and many others. See you next time.